Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about SHIBA INU price prediction and SHIBA INU news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for SHIBA INU in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what SHIBA INU is. The SHIBA INU aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. SHIBA INU with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo INU, Giant Alaska INU, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a SHIBA INU breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the SHIBA INU website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. SHIBA INU paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of SHIBA have never collaborated before. We love SHIBA INU dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about SHIBA INU. Ethereum whale snaps up $6 million worth of SHIB as accumulation trend continues. Ethereum whales remain some of the biggest supporters of SHIB. These whales have continuously purchased the meme coin in large quantities through the bull and bear trends. They own some of the largest shares of the digital asset, most of which they have been holding on to for quite some time. Recently, these whales have been increasing their holdings, with the most recent one being quite a significant acquisition. Ethereum Whale buys $6 million SHIB Whale Stats as a service that collects data from big purchases or movements across various blockchains and reports them. It also analyzes the top 1,000 wallets of different networks to see what they are buying and holding. Recently, this bot reported on a transaction that was made by the 208th largest whale on the Ethereum network. This whale had purchased a significant amount of SHIB. The report notes that this Ethereum whale had bought more than 271 billion SHIBA INU tokens, coming out to a dollar value of $6,086,838 million at the time of purchase. It is not the only ETH whale that has purchased large amount, 7 trillion SHIB tokens. The value for this had come out to over $89 million spent on the token, one of the largest single transactions ever recorded by the meme coin. SHIB profitability. SHIBA INU had made its own fair share of millionaires last year, when it emerged as the unlikely breakout star of the year. The cryptocurrency had surged so high, and so fast, that it had gathered a massive community behind it. This would continue for a while. However, once the downtrend started, it seemed to be a long way down until the majority of investors were in losses. This is still continuing today as more SHIBA INU investors are recording losses to those in profit. According to data from Into the Block, only 35% of all SHIB holders are currently in profit, presumably those that got into the digital asset early. 58% of all investors are in loss, and only 4% of investors are in the neutral territory. As for the price of SHIB, it continues to trend around the $0.00002 level. There has not been much momentum in the digital asset in recent times, and even massive purchases by whales have not done much to push the price upwards. SHIBA INU price prediction. Trendline breakout aims the next bull cycle to target $0.000027. A descending trendline breakout reinforces the SHIB price attempts to rebound from the bottom support trendline. However, the shared resistance of 0DIB, which is among the top gainers over the last week, its price is still 68% below the $0.00008616 all-time high, achieved in October 2021. Nonetheless, in a bid to turn things around, SHIBADEX launches today with the promise of opening up the SHIB ecosystem. But is this enough to bring the investors back? Our motto is a home for all SHIBAs. SHIBADEX not only supports SHIB, but also the vast, vibrant shibatoken ecosystem. Store and trade your bone, leash, and more in one place. SHIBADEX homepage source. Shibadex.io. Who's behind SHIBADEX? SHIBA INU's first cross-chain DEX is powered by Atomic DEX, which is built on top of the Komodo protocol. As a result, it claims to have the widest cross-chain support covering 99% of crypto assets. In a press release received by CryptoSlate, SHIBADEX co-founder and Komodo CTO Caden Stadelman said SHIBADEX will link SHIBA INU to external blockchains for cross-community collaboration. In this video, we will raise the following question. When will SHIBA INU return to all-time highs? SHIBA INU continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, SHIBA INU recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.